in today's video, let us see Solver with Excel. Okay. So Solver is a great optimization tool which is available in your MS Excel. Okay, where you can find out a solution by changing your various variables. Okay, let me show an example for it. Okay, in this example, let us consider you are going to schedule an employee's a week work. Okay, so for that, if I want a target, so I just the problem statement is they need a week target as 800 hours, and they have also has a constraint that Saturday it needs to be only 5 hours. Okay, let me solve this by using my solver. Okay, so solver will not be there in your MS Excel. Then you just go ahead and do adds in. Okay, from files, options. Okay, from files, option, adds in. You can see this adds in, right? Click on that. Okay, then go here and you need to check it. Oh, check box. Okay, solver add in and tell okay. Okay, once it is being added, you can see that in your data tab. Okay, click on the data tab, and in your analysis column, you can see the solver over here. Okay, so you need to add it. Okay, let me show what are the parameters which is available for your my solver. Okay, so you can click on that. You will get some of the parameters. What is my objectives? My objective is to set my value as 800, right? So this is my target column. Okay, I'm just clicking on that. And what is my value on that? My value should be 800. So I'm passing my value as 800 over there. And what are the variables I need to change? I need to change from Monday to Saturday. And I also had a constraint that Saturday the persons needs to be employee, 10 employees needs to be work only for 5 hours, right? Here you can see the constraints. Okay, you can add the constraints, you can change the constraints, you can delete it. Okay, now I'm going to add my constraints. Just click on the add with a self reference. Okay, from this employee 1 to employee 10, right? For employee 1 to employee 10, click on that, and it needs to be equal to 5 hours. Then add. Okay, then click on OK. Now it will be there actually. Okay, just a minute. Okay, you can see the constraints over here. Now you added your objective, you added your constraints over there. And what are the changing variable cells? I need to change the variables from Monday to Saturday. Okay, pass that. So click on that changing variable and click on all the columns where we need to change it. You can see that, right? Then after that, solve. It automatically solve the entire thing. Give a minute. So I have chosen a extra column. Okay. So with the solver parameters. Okay. Solve. Here, just a moment. So I need to set an objective for a single column. Okay, then it shows me whether I need to get a report. Okay, so whether by answer, sensitivity, limits. Okay, these are the reports you can generate. As of now, I don't need the reports. Okay, then if you want to change the original or restore the original values, then you can click on that and click on OK. Now you can see. So which means that my target is 800 hours and the person from employee 1 to 10 needs to work for weekdays as from Monday to Friday as 15 hours, and with the constraint of Saturday as 5 hours, we can complete the weekdays, the entire weekday from Monday to Saturday with 800 hours of target. Okay, by using my solver function, I can proceed this way. This is the end of the video. Thank you.